Hi guys! First thing first is to prime my face with the PS Prime water and then let it dry. Then I prime my eyes with a tiny bit of the Collection's Lasting Perfection Concealer in One Fair. And then I blend it out. Today I'll be doing a look with my Morphe 25A Copperspice eyeshadow palette. To set my eyes, I used a light shade all over my eye. Then I'm going in with this copper shade in the crease of my eye. Make sure it's blended well. To get a sharper look, I'm just using the plastic cover out of the palette at the edge of my eye. Some people also use tape to do this. Then I'm getting a mix of these two dark shades and applying it in the crease to darken the look. Then for liner, I'm using my Perfect Slim Liner by L'Oreal in Intense Black. Then to make it more sharp and dark, I'm using my gel eyeliner by Inglot in number 77. Sorry for the lighting guys, it's decided to have a little disco for some reason. Then to stick my lashes on, I'm using the Duo Glue in Clear White. Then to do the brows, I'm using Sephora's retractable waterproof brow pencil in the shade Midnight Brown number 4. Then I'm using the other side of the liner, the brush, to brush up the hairs and get rid of any harsh lines. Then I'm going in with the mascara. The one I'm using is Volume Million Lashes by L'Oreal in black. Then I'm using my black Sephora liner in the waterline to darken the look up. Next is foundation. I'm using MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC15. To set my foundation, I use Bareminerals Original Powder in Fairly Light number 10. Then for contour, I'm using a mixture of the dark shades in the NYX Contour Palette. Then to blend out, I use the light shades in the palette also. The reason why I keep looking down is because I was watching Netflix. I'm a bit addicted. Then for highlight, I'm using MAC's in the shade Soft Gentle A16. And last but not least, I'm using Sephora's Duo Crayon in Rosewood number 8. The good thing about this is there's a lip liner on one end, and on the other end there's a lipstick as well to go over it. And time to fix the messy hair. And done. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the look.